Our Chloro MES helps monitor every stage of production, from fabric receiving to the final output, ensuring real-time tracking and efficiency. Revolutionize your garment warehouse management with Chloro. From complexity to clarity. Roll in and out your core workflow tool. Track daily progress in real time. Every PO tracked with precision. Keep vendors and dispatches in sync. Manage returns without the hassle. You can track and generate reports for receive, outsource, return, providing a complete overview of your workflow. Dive in resting area and map option. Blueprint your way to efficiency. Locate, match, organize with precision, and you have all the fabric details. Inspection made simple and powerful. Clear insights. Smooth operations. Provide detailed insights on inspection as well as fabric rolls. Rack and space. You'll never lose track of storage. Quickly locate and organize. No mess and no stress. The location-wise report shows exactly where each one is. Issue and get back. Handle fabrics with confidence. Spend freely, have full control. Get clear, accurate data on fabric issued and relaxation report. In relaxation, track fabric resting locations with complete data and detailed reports. Optimize your garment warehouse today. Introducing Inspection, your intelligent fabric quality assistant. Start with a real-time dashboard showing what's complete, pending, passed, or failed. Drill into each fabric's inspection data. With our system, managing defects and swatches becomes effortless while adhering to global 4-point inspection standards. Easily filter by status. Defect will be marked on virtual coordinates on fabric with defect points. AquaBoy standard support ensures every fabric meets optimal moisture control. From precision to productivity, instant inspection result and report. Paperless make it easy to communicate with suppliers and buyers. Get into layering and cutting process. In cutting, Chloro enhances visibility, efficiency, and quality, making it essential for modern apparel manufacturing. Our system delivers live updates on cut plan status, start to end times, completed layers versus targets, fabric roll usage, meter and yards, defects, and balance fabric. Optimize every cut with data-driven precision. Gain full visibility into your cutting process with our smart MES platform. Track every cut plan in real time, eliminate guesswork, and streamline production planning, so your team stays ahead of deadlines while minimizing fabric waste. We providing cutting report, that daily summary, cutting stock report, cutting in report, cutting out report, every detail reported. Welcome to supermarket section of the sewing line. The supermarket dashboard gives a clear overview of all stored bundles and their real-time availability status. This is where cut fabric bundles are stored and organized with their unique bundle QR codes into supermarket trolleys. You can add and remove bundles in supermarket trolley using add or remove options. Removed bundles are ready to load to respective sewing lines based on the requirement. Loading is the heart of movement in the sewing process. Loaded bundle are tracked by our app exactly which bundle goes where. This ensures smooth workflow, clear responsibility, and faster processing, all with a simple scan. The loading report gives you detailed information. Quality is everything, that's where roaming QC comes in. You check, you find, and you update the defect and the employee involved. Each check cycle is tracked clearly. Once a defect is fixed, the garment automatically moves from the defect to the past. Critical processes are marked and must be inspected. Track your progress live with inspected tables. Here is a report of roaming QC.
Inline process scanning provide operator and operation production, process WIP, bottleneck process.
Visual QC is where quality meets clarity. Scan each finished garment, review it, and update its status in seconds. The app includes all the filters you need. Every action gets recorded, giving you complete visibility of your production floor. Here is a report of visual QC. In sewing, you will get hourly report, stock report, KPI report. These let you know accurate data set. It's not just device. Smarter manufacturing, one scan at a time. revolutionizing inline QC with real-time visibility and smart defect analytics. Chloro MES transforms traditional inline QC by providing real-time defect tracking, production heat maps, and actionable insights, ensuring higher first-time quality and fewer rejections. Instant QC classification auto-tag garments as pass, defect, or reject with defect logging. Bottleneck detection. Live WIP updates help teams for better workflow visibility. Chloro MES empowers QC checkers to instantly pinpoint defects and their root processes using data-driven tech pack mapping for every style. Highlights in automation. Positions Chloro as a smart tech-driven solution. Links defects to processes, shows problem-solving capability. Heat map view equals visual appeal. Easier for buyers and factories to grasp. Actionable insights, stresses decision-making value. And inline QC reports, clear, reliable, and delivered. Start with Chloro now.